Good morning, children. In the last class, we learned that to propagate the sound from one place to another place, we need medium. Okay, we need medium to propagate the sound from one place to another place. And already we learned that how the sound reaches the other person. That means here, when we create any disturbance in the medium, okay, when we create the disturbance in the medium, that disturbance which in turn disturb the molecules which are in front of them. Therefore, the disturbance created in a medium is called as a wave. Normally, already we learned that the sound travels in the form of the waves. When a sound is produced, I am disturbing due to the sound produced, I am disturbing the molecules which are in front of me, which in turn disturb the molecules which are in front of them, and finally it continues and reaches the ear and the eardrum. It reaches the eardrum, whereas the eardrum starts vibrating. Due to the vibrations of the eardrum, it sends the impulse to the brain, whereas the brain interprets and it says that what the person is saying. Okay, children, all this takes place in the fraction of seconds. Okay, children, all this takes place in the fraction of seconds. Therefore, like this, the sound propagates from one place to the another place, children. Okay, children, today we'll be learning about the different types of the waves, children. Waves. Okay, what is a wave? What are the different types of waves? Like that we'll learn, children. Okay, right. Wave. What do you mean by a wave? Wave is the disturbance created in a medium. Disturbance created in a medium. Disturbance created in a medium is called as a wave. Is called as wave. Disturbance created in a medium is called as a wave, children. Okay, here we are having of different types of the waves. Waves are classified normally into two types, children. Okay, waves are classified into two types, that is stationary waves. Stationary waves and progressive waves. What do you mean by the stationary waves? Stationary waves and progressive waves, children. Stationary waves means normally they start from a mean position. All these waves, they start from a mean position. They set into vibration. Again they come back to the, after some time again they come back to the original position. Okay, children. They start vibrating from a particular point. They enter into the medium. And after reaching certain time, after reaching certain place, again they come back to the original position, children. Those waves are called as the stationary waves. Normally water waves, children. Normally we see the tides in the sea. We see the tides. Okay, children. These tides, when they come to the shore, again they go back into the original position. Therefore, we say the example for the stationary waves are the water waves. Okay, children. The example for the stationary waves are the water waves, children. Okay, children. Okay. Now, see here stationary waves. Stationary waves means they start from mean position, they enter into the medium, again they come back to the original position. Okay. They come to the original position. Excuse me. Progressive waves, children. Progressive waves. Progress means only going ahead. These also, they start from a mean position, they enter into the medium, but they never come back again. If they come back again, they are called as the stationary waves, children. If they are not coming back again, we say that those waves are the progressive waves, children. Progressive waves. Okay, children. If the waves, if they start from a mean position, they enter into the medium, and if they go ahead, okay, if they go ahead, if they doesn't come back again to the original position, then those waves are called as a progressive waves, children. Those waves are called as a progressive waves. Okay, children. Example for the progressive waves. Again, progressive waves are classified into two types, children. Okay, that is transverse waves. Transverse waves and longitudinal waves. Longitudinal waves. Okay children, here transverse waves. Transverse waves. Transverse waves. What are these transverse waves? Transverse waves are the waves, okay, the particles of the medium, if the particles of the medium vibrate perpendicularly to the wave propagation. Then those waves are called as transverse waves. Okay, that means here they start from a mean position. This is the propagation, children. Propagation means going ahead, moving. The particles, how they vibrate means they vibrate like this. Like this. Particles always vibrate perpendicularly. If the particles of the medium vibrate perpendicular to the wave propagation, this is the wave propagation, children. If the particles of the medium vibrate perpendicularly to the wave propagation, then those waves are called as a what? Transverse waves, children. Transverse waves. Example, light waves are transverse waves. Normally ECG, what is the full form of ECG, children? Electrocardiograph. Normally heartbeat. Okay, if a person goes to the hospital, normally they keep the heartbeat, how the functioning, how the heart is beating. Okay, that is called as the ECG, children. This ECG, normally you can see the graph over there. It is giving off beep sound, like that. It is fluctuating, children. And if it gives a constant beep, means what happens? The person is dead, children. Okay, if it gives a constant beep, the person is dead. Okay, if it is not giving of a constant, that means it gives the fluctuations in the heartbeat, children. It gives the fluctuations in the heartbeat. Okay, children, it gives the fluctuations in the heartbeat, children. Therefore, there, whatever the waves that you can see over there, like this, we can able to see the graph, children, in the ECG. Okay, in that we see that the particles vibrate perpendicularly. They vibrate up and down, children. Okay, up and down. Okay, children, they vibrate perpendicularly. And here we see, here the upper part is called as the crest, children. Crest. The down part is called as the trough. Here crest, trough. Crest, upper part crest, trough. Sorry, crest, trough. Okay, children. Okay, this is about the crest and troughs. Here the crest and troughs are formed in the transverse waves. Crests and troughs are formed in the transverse waves. Okay, children. Crests and troughs are formed in the transverse waves, children. Okay, right. Here transverse waves means the particles of the medium vibrate perpendicular to the wave propagation. Then those waves are called as the transverse waves, children. And in the transverse waves, crests and troughs are formed, children. And here light waves are the transverse waves, children. Light waves are the transverse waves. Okay, children. Crests and troughs are formed in the transverse waves. Okay, children. Right. Next The other types of the waves, these transverse waves are the progressive waves, children. Transverse waves are the progressive waves. Here progress in the again longitudinal waves, children. The other one is longitudinal waves. What do you mean by this longitudinal waves? Okay, longitudinal waves. Okay, children, longitudinal waves. If the particles of the medium vibrate parallel, if the particles of the medium vibrate parallel to the wave propagation, the particles of the medium vibrate parallel to the wave propagation, then those waves are called as longitudinal waves. The particles of the medium vibrate parallel to the wave propagation, then those waves are called like this, children. Here the coming close together is a compression, going far is rarefaction. Normally compressions and rarefactions are formed in the longitudinal waves, children. Compressions and rarefactions are formed in the compressions and rarefactions are formed in the longitudinal waves, are formed in the longitudinal waves, children. Compressions and rarefactions are formed in the longitudinal waves, children. Okay, and here example for this one is the sound waves, children. Example, normally we are discussing about the sound waves. These sound waves are the example for the what? The longitudinal waves, children. Therefore here progressive waves are classified into two types, that is transverse waves and longitudinal waves. Transverse waves are the waves in which the particles of the medium vibrate perpendicular to the wave propagation. Example are the light waves, whereas the longitudinal waves means if the particles vibrate parallel to the wave propagation, then those waves are called as the longitudinal waves. Example, sound waves, children. Okay, children, I think you have understood, and you should make a note of all these points, children. Okay, the remaining will be learning in the next class, children. Thank you, have a nice day. Tiffin